If you like tuna and avocado, then you're not going to want to miss this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, then welcome. So friends, today I am making a tuna avocado salad. I am looking for something very healthy to take to work today for lunch. I don't have a whole lot of stuff in the fridge, and I'm like, you know what? I got avocados, I got tuna fish, so I'm gonna make this salad up real quick. It's very similar to my avocado chicken salad. I'm just using tuna instead and a couple little different ingredients, but not too much. This is an extremely healthy recipe, but it's also absolutely delicious and you won't even know that you're eating healthy. So let me go over all the ingredients and then we'll get started. All right, my friends, I have some chili powder, black pepper, sea salt, granulated garlic or garlic powder, parsley, olive oil. I have 1 stalk of celery chopped up. I have about a quarter of a very small red onion chopped up, 2 avocado, cumin. I'm going to be using a half of a lemon, and I have some solid white albacore tuna. And that's all we'll be using today. All right, my friends, I have myself a little bowl here. I went ahead and did some prep work. I have my albacore tuna. Went ahead and drained it. And friends, this recipe is just for a single recipe. You can double, triple, quadruple, however you want. I'll put the recipe that I'm doing in the description box, and then you can just, like I said, double it or whatever. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go ahead and add in my dry ingredients. I am doing a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, sea salt as well, a little bit of garlic salt or granulated garlic, and I'm just doing a tad bit of cumin, not a whole lot, just a little, just kind of for taste. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add in, I gotta sneeze, Fred's that pepper. Oh, excuse me. And then I have my 1 stalk of celery. And then I have my onion here. It's just a little small piece there. We're gonna get ahead and squeeze our half of a lemon, and don't let those seeds get in there like I just did. Oh my goodness. Should have taken those out prior. I wasn't even thinking. There we go. Okay. Just like that. And then we're just going to mix that up real quick. Smells delicious already, my friends. Okay, and then I'm going to add in my avocado. You can leave it sliced like this. I like mine mashed. It kind of gives it like a mayonnaise type consistency when you smash it up. You know what I mean? Then I'm going to drizzle just a tad bit of olive oil. Not much, friends, just a little. And then we're going to mix this really well. Friends, that is it. It does not get any easier than this. Look at that. Oh. And if you could just smell this, smell-o-vision would be awesome. Like I said, it's an easy one to make, very healthy. You can serve this on a bed of lettuce. You can use some whole wheat toast or something. I'm just going to eat it like this, friends, because bread does not agree with me. So I'm just going to get, oh, I forgot to add the parsley, friends. Oh my goodness. Just about a 1/4 teaspoon of parsley. How did I forget that? Oh my goodness. All right. Now it looks even better. Goodness. All right. So I'm going to put this in the fridge and let it chill for a little bit. And I'll just do a small little taste test since I'm taking this to lunch. So I'll be back in a few. All right, my friends, so here it is. Let's just do a little taste test because, like I said, this is my lunch. I always like to do a taste test with y'all. Yum. I think I could have used a little bit more chili powder in there. I definitely could have used a little more chili powder in there to give it a little bit more kick. So I think I'm going to go back and add about another 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder in there. Definitely think it could use it. So friends, that'll do it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.